Now, not every linear equality can be solved by using the addition property of equality. We will need to use at times the multiplication property of equality. And it's the same type of an idea that allows me, however I multiply to one side, to maintain the balance, I need a multiplier scale the other side as well. So take, for example, we have an equation, x divided by 5 equals 9. I want to know for what x is that true? And you're right, we can kind of test and guess and try to trial and error and figure out what it might be, but it's good to learn the process so as these problems become a little more complicated, they're not going to scare us because we have a process and we have the process down. So I want to isolate x. I want to get x by itself. So I'm thinking, what can I multiply both sides so that x is by itself? And I discover that 5 is a great choice. I'll do that to both sides. So 5 times x over 5. Remember how to multiply fractions. Top times top, denominator times denominator. And the denominator of the 5 is a 1. So 5 times x produces a 5x. 1 times 5 is a 5. The right side equals 45. I notice there's a clever version of 1 in this term, so I can factor out the 5 from the top and the bottom. And I'm left with x equals 45. I can also check, like we've done before, 45 divided by 5, does that equal 9? And then 45 divided by 9, or 45 divided by 5 is indeed 9. So I get a true statement, 9 equals 9. So I have a check that says I determined the correct solution for this linear equation by using the multiplication property to help me solve it.